Well, y'all, we made it to Tucumcari, New Mexico today. Actually, we made it to Santa Rosa, New Mexico today, and the winds were howling. And Firebird got the Stinson on the ground in 25 knots, gusting to 38 at Santa Rosa. But we couldn't tie it down. So we turned around and flew downwind back to Tucumcari, and here we are. And we've been taking the rest of the day as a rest day. The winds have continued to howl, and we're enjoying a little Route 66 Americana this evening at the Motel Safari. So tomorrow, across New Mexico, hopefully the winds are a little bit better. But we're having a great time. Katherine the Stinson, she is amazing. She's doing great in all kinds of crazy situations. I can't wait to have a look at the footage from today and share it. Yeah. It's been a great adventure so far. We are far from finished, so stay tuned. Yeah, it really does. She's got a really big spinner on the front. I mean, she's pretty. And she has the wheel pants are in the cargo.
Yeah.
Thanks to the amazingly lovely people at Bodecker's Flying Service in Childress, Texas.